ngikhumbule Gethsemane hayi ungihluphekela kungeze basuka kimi ukuthanda wena Jesu ukuthemba wena ngikhumbula Yebo kungeze Welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again, the Mzansi Celebrity Stories, and namhlanje sikhuluma ke ngoMahu guys. Igama ke lakhe langempela ke uThandeka owakwaNgema, ucula ke umculo wamapiano uphinde futhi abhale neingoma. She was born and bred in KZN endaweni ke ekuthiwa ke kuseShowe. Wazalwa ngo-1994 ngoDisemba ke 16. Well guys, uMahu uyayasho ukuthi yena ke waqala ke ukucula esontweni, but namhlanje after I saw that video of her singing, I was like, yeah, ngampela cha, you can tell ukuthi ke lo muntu lo ukhuleleke esontweni, uhamba uSunday school wazwafika ke kwi youth. Ngampela the way she sings, you can tell ukuthi haleli worship haleli ngampela elatshwa amapiano abayibathi hayi, she must just go and sing gospel guys. But again, yeah man, that brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.